Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Pinterest ads, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Pinterest business website. Click on the Join as a Business button if you don't already have a business account. If you have a personal account, click on the Convert your personal account option. Fill in the required information, including your email address, password, and business name. Next, choose your business type from the drop-down menu. Complete the details about your business, such as its website and location. After filling in all the information, click on the Create Account button. You will receive an email to confirm your account. Open the email and click the confirmation link. Once confirmed, log into your Pinterest business account. From your dashboard, click on the Ads tab in the top menu. Select Get Started or Create an Ad to begin setting up your campaigns. Choose the campaign objective that aligns with your marketing goals. Next, set your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Upload your creative assets, such as images and videos, for the ads. Craft compelling ad copy that encourages users to engage with your content. Review all the details to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click the Launch button to submit your Pinterest ads for approval. You will receive a notification once your ads are approved and live on the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.